Welcome to another episode of MissPlanIt Home.
All right, guys, so here we are, still decking the halls. So you know, when I pick a theme, I go for it. So so we've done our dining room table with the little miniature Christmas trees, which I love. If you haven't seen that episode, go back a couple of weeks. And then last week we did the big ornament wreaths that went on my front doors and all of my windows. I think I made a total of 16 wreaths, I think. It was a lot. And now I'm making the lantern wreaths that are that's a word, that are going to go on my outdoor lantern. And I have 3 of them that I'm making these for. Okay, this is totally 100% Dollar Tree. So this is a 15-inch wreath, and you may have to reshape it a little bit, but that's okay. There we go. Fluff it out first. Then this dollar glitter bow that I already told you when I went to a couple of the craft stores, they wanted $3.99 for this exact same bow. But guess what? I went to another craft store and they had 2 miniature ones, which they also have at the Dollar Tree, 2 for 1, 2 little miniature ones. They wanted $5 for those same ones that are $1 at the Dollar Tree. So please go to the Dollar Tree before you spend loads of money on the exact same product. So all I did was use a twist tie and twist tie it on the front. And then I showed you my little professional tip. They hot glue their bows so they do not move. They stay perfectly in place. It's not magic, it's glue. All right, so we got one side glued down. Remember, don't put too much because you don't want to burn a hole in the plastic. Okay. And voila. Okay, so right now, just this, which is kind of really cute on its own, is $2. Okay, so now I'm gonna use 6 gold, 6 red, 6 green, and 6 silver. So this could actually do 2 of these, okay? So give me a minute, let me get all my little ornament balls out, and let's get to putting them on the wreath. All right, so I have my 6 green, my 6 gold, my 6 red, my 6 silver. Now again, these are just the colors I picked. You pick whatever colors speak to you. So I'm gonna first start by adding my green. And I always add 1 color at a time. So I'm gonna speed this up so you can see it all together. Stay tuned. All right, and there you have it. This wreath was less than $5 because the ornaments, you can use them for 2 wreaths. I cannot wait for you guys to see this all together on my house. It's gonna be beautiful. And I have one more thing we need to make, and that is a swag. Yeah, that's what it is, a swag. So we're gonna be making that next week. Come on back, hang out with me a little bit more as we're decking the halls of my house. All right, see y'all next week. Take care. God bless.